Top 5 Best Air Purifier. You already know it's important to regularly clean your home, but there's one part beyond the surface that's often looked over: the air. Using an air purifier can help make sure the air you breathe is clean. But not all air purifiers are created equally. So, we've pulled together a list of the best air purifier available on the market. Number 1. Grem Guardian 3-in-1 Cleaning System. 5-in-1 air purifier for home through HEPA air filtration reduces up to 99.97% of harmful germs, dust, pollen, pet dander, mold, spores, and other allergens as small as 3 microns from the air. An antimicrobial agent is added to the filter to inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and odor causing bacteria on the filter surface. UVC light helps kill the airborne viruses such as influenza, staph, rhinovirus, and works the titanium dioxide to reduce volatile organic compounds. It traps allergens. Pre-filter traps dust, pet hair, and other large particles while extending the life of a HEPA filter. Number 2. Allen T500 Tower Air Purifier. Cleaning up to 500 square feet of air every 30 minutes on high speed. It's ultra-portable, 25% smaller than comparable tower air purifier, yet 63% more effective in real home tests. Fits perfectly in any space from small to large room, living room, bedroom, door room, offices, bathrooms, nurseries, and kitchens. Recommended for allergens, dust, dander, fur, pollen, and household odor, plus germs, mold, spores, and bacteria. HEPA Silver filter has a compound that eliminates airborne bacteria, germs, fungi, and viruses, including the flu. Number 3. Leviot Air Purifier. Smoke eater and odor eliminator. The huge honeycomb activated carbon filter, true HEPA filter, pre-filter, and purely efficiency is the purify efficiency is 30% higher and purify speed is 30% faster than other ordinary air cleaner. Protect you from cat's litter box and chain smoker. Ideal for allergic people. Removes up to 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, mold, spore, and other allergen as small as 0.3 microns from the air. Great help with stuff nose by bringing you new fresh air. Smart Auto Mode. With a cutting edge of smart sensor, the air purifier can automatically adjust between 3 fan speed settings in responses to real-time air quality readings. Number 4. Dyson PureCool Link Air Purifier. Dual functionality, purifies all air, cools you at a fan in summer. HEPA filter automatically removes 99.97% of allergens and pollutants as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen, dust, mold, spores, bacteria, and pet dander from your home. Dyson technology helps to create a cleaner, healthier home. Our vacuum and purifiers are scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergen and bacteria. Second layer in filter contains activated carbon to capture household odors and phthalate organic compounds like paint fumes. Certified asthma and allergy friendly and awarded the Quiet Mark accreditation. Number 5. AeraMax 300 Air Purifier. Air purifier features HEPA filter with air safe antimicrobial treatment, and carbon filter for 4-stage filtration process that captures 99.97% of airborne particles. An odor eliminator that also captures molds, dust, germs, and smoke, ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. Filter type carbon. True HEPA are air-safe antimicrobial treatment. Automatic air purifier performance with AirSmart sensor that monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep your air purified. Material type ABS. Recommended for large size room from 300 to 600 square foot. Apply AC 120 volt by 600 Hz. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.